This is your beloved friend Virendra. You know the very purpose of life, the very essence of life is to live healthy, wealthy and wise. And ultimately, you will be endowed with radiant energy, abundance of joy and happiness. And for this, you have to understand the true meaning of life. Life is life to live with joy, to live happily, healthy, and make everyone understand the purpose of life. Here, I share with you some of the valuable quotes about life. Just living is not enough. One must have sunshine, freedom, and a little flower. Life is a ticket to the greatest show on earth. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and share. The healthiest response to life is joy. The miracle is not to fly in the air or to walk on the water, but to walk on earth. Plain living and high thinking, that will make us really very happy person. In every circumstances, we have to be happy. We have to be fragrant like flower. We have to be smiling like a rose flower. Even in the midst of thorns, it smiles like a sandalwood. When it is surrounded by snakes, the serpents, full of poisons, still we have to spread the fragrance in the environment. Always fill your mind with positive things. Be optimism. That can create happiness in life. Remove all the negative thoughts. Love everyone. Share your happiness with everyone. And you will get all this in return abundantly, extravagantly. There is no wealth but life. Life is like a coin. You can spend it any way you wish, but you only spend it once. Dear friends, if you are a wealthy man, you become a poverty-stricken person next moment. You become a pauper. But if you have desire, dream, and hard-working attitude, you can become another time a wealthy person. But every moment in life is just one time. It never comes back. So spend your every second, every moment very judiciously, very carefully, because this is supreme blessings of the Lord. Your time is your life. Be very careful in spending time. We must learn to live together as brothers, and that will give us true happiness. Or perish together as fools and bring bloodshed on the earth, hatred on the earth, jealousy on earth. As you saw in the Mahabharata, the greatest battle was fought on the battle of Kurukshetra just for greed, just for envy, fighting, brothers and brothers, the kith and kin, and wholesale destruction. Remember, life is not to fight. Life is to help, share, care, Live your life. This is one-time blessings. Don't die fighting like dogs. Live like the wisest man who knows only grace, gratitude and love. What sunshine is to flower, a smile are to humanity. These are but trifles, to be sure, but scattered along life's pathway. The good they do is inconceivable. When you are chewing on life's gristle, don't grumble, give a whistle, and this will help things turn out for the best. And always look on the bright side of life, always look on the light side of life. I wish all the happiest life to all my friends. Meditate, worship, calm down, generate love, create ripples of prosperity all around. Be ready to wipe tears from every eyes. And remember, if you care for all the dependents of the great God, the Father in the heaven, that Father in the heaven, the God, the mighty Allah, the magnificent Allah will bless you with health, wealth, happiness. You are true divine souls. Behave like that. Realize the divinity and you are full of abundance for happiness. May God bless you. Be happy. Be successful in life. Thank you very much.